Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to take screenshots on this watch. First we need to turn on the screenshots on our watch. To do it, wake up the screen by tapping on it or by pressing the Chrome button, then press the Chrome button to open the menu. Once you open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it, and in settings scroll down and find the option called General, then tap on it. Here look for the option called Screenshots, and once you find it, tap on it. And now we need to enable the screenshots by tapping on the switch, and after you enable the screenshots you should be able to take them. So for example, let's open some app, maybe maps, and once you open the screen you want to capture, to take a screenshot you simply press the crown button and the lower button right here together. You will see the flash on the screen, and also there should be shutter sound if you didn't disable your sound on your watch. And once you take a bunch of screenshots, or one, depending on what you want to capture, you should see your screenshots on your iPhone that is paired with your watch in the photo app. So if we open the photo app on our iPhone, go to collections, continue, and find the screenshot folder. Here we have it, screenshots. We have the screenshots from our watch. Okay, and that's how you take or capture the screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.